Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious steak street tacos from scratch. We will begin by selecting the perfect cut of steak and preparing a flavorful marinade. Next, I will guide you through the cooking process to achieve a tender, juicy steak. Finally, we will assemble our tacos with warm tortillas and fresh, vibrant toppings for an authentic street food experience. Get ready to create a fantastic meal. For truly flavorful steak street tacos, selecting the right cut is key. Flank or skirt steak works wonderfully, offering great texture when sliced correctly. Prepare a vibrant marinade using ingredients like orange juice, lime juice, olive oil, minced garlic, and a blend of your favorite spices. Allow the steak to marinate for at least 30 minutes or for up to 2 hours to infuse it with incredible taste. Remember to pat it dry before cooking for that perfect sear. Now, let's cook that steak to perfection. Heat a cast iron skillet over high heat until it's smoking slightly. Sear your marinated steak for about 3 to 4 minutes per side for a delicious medium rare. Once cooked, transfer the steak to a cutting board and let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes. This keeps it juicy. While it rests, warm your corn tortillas on a dry skillet for about 30 seconds per side until pliable and fragrant. Slice the steak thinly against the grain. The final touch for amazing street tacos is all about the toppings. Finely dice some fresh white onions and cilantro. These are essential for that authentic flavor. Consider preparing a vibrant salsa, like a zesty salsa verde or a fresh pico de gallo, to add a kick. Don't forget plenty of lime wedges for a bright, acidic squeeze over each taco. Assemble your warm tortillas with sliced steak and your favorite toppings, then serve immediately for the ultimate street taco experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.